Ever wish you could edit a PDF as smoothly as you do a Word doc? Then you definitely need a solid PDF editor in your toolkit. Let me introduce you to PDF Reader Pro, a tool you seriously shouldn't miss. It's powered by ComPDF, a professional PDF solution provider that offers developers easy-to-integrate SDKs. That means you can quickly add powerful PDF features like viewing, annotating, and editing into your own apps. So today, we'll show how to use PDF Reader Pro to edit PDF file on Windows. Download and install. Head over to the PDF Reader Pro website. Open it up and upload a PDF you'd like to work on. After uploading, you'll see a bunch of PDF editing tools available. Let's go through them one by one. Click on the Annotation tab, and you'll find everything you need. Highlight, underline, squiggly, strike through, free text, sticky notes, shape tools, and measuring tools, add links, stamps, and more. Want to highlight key info in different colors? Easy. Need to leave a note to yourself or a teammate? Just drop in a sticky note. You can also draw shapes to mark important areas. If you're in architecture or design, the Measure tool is a game changer. It lets you precisely measure distances on drawings and even customize accuracy settings. Super helpful for keeping projects on track. And yep, you can link text or areas to websites or reference materials too. Edit PDF content. Under the Edit tab, you can modify existing text, change fonts, size, alignment, add new text boxes anywhere you like. Edit images, resize, rotate, crop or replace them. Add watermarks, text or images to protect your content or reinforce branding. Insert headers, footers, page numbers, and even crop parts of the page. Perfect for things like proposals, marketing materials, or any docs you need to polish up. Form tools, creating surveys or forms. PDF Reader Pro's got you covered. Add text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons. No need to worry about formatting issues when printing. Your layout stays clean and professional. Besides editing, PDF Reader Pro also supports converting PDFs to Word, Excel, images, and more. Converting images into PDFs, encrypting files, setting permissions, merging multiple PDFs or comparing documents, even text-to-speech to have your PDFs read aloud.
6 Scientific American, July/August.
Basically, it's an all-in-one PDF toolbox. Here's the cool part. ComPDF also offers free online tools you can try out right away. The online PDF editor demo lets you use features like annotation, measuring, signing, and security tools, all for free. The online converter tools help you convert PDFs to various formats in seconds. The IDP demo includes intelligent document processing, like intelligent document extraction and document Q&A using AI. And with the help of our video tutorials, you can even integrate these tools into platforms like Make to automate your document workflows and boost efficiency. And that's it. See you next time.